And I just want to say, hey, Joe. We just got it. Cut the film. Hello, I'm Josh from Joe and Joshua's History and Reviews. Today, this is a very special review. This one was given to me by Job, my cousin. He's right there. He's a camera guy for my birthday. And I just want to say, hey, Joe. We just got it. Cut the film. Okay. Alright, I'm done crying. I took my medicine. Sorry, just to get emotional. My hormone balance is off. I don't know how to react to GIFs. The animated pictures on Google. But, oh god. Okay, I'm fine. This is a Grylls Gerber survival knife. It's a Gator machete. You can use it to kill alligators. You can use it to kill heliogators. Those are space gators, by the way, from an old 1970s film. I don't know the name of it. It's a dual blade sheath with a little mushroom tip on it to protect you from, if you want to go, I'm going to kill you by the bottom out in the woods, yeah! If you hillbillies do that sometimes. I mentioned that in my other two knife reviews. It has a packable sheath with a belt loop. I thought I said belt poop, but anyway. Dual function chopping and sawing. So if you want to chop someone's head off, and if you want to saw it off, you flip around this way to get the gator teeth deep in their skin and their follicles and whatnot. It has a 16.8 inch blade, not with the sheath included, and a 42.6 centimeter blade, if you want to do centimeter for a reason. Made from Gator grip, so probably the guys from Swamp People probably made the handle of this. And sawtooth technology. On the back you have a nice sheath. Now Job and I kind of did a little comparison. If I were to put this on my belt, it would go almost down to my foot. If we put it on Job, I'd say his legs are about 3 or 4 inches taller than mine. It went almost to the same, but just a little bit higher up, probably like right here for Job. And you have cross-cut teeth, so it makes the cut really messy if you go to the hospital. Gator grip handle, I already said that. An adjustable lanyard, which is a little string. This is model 4660817ZE. 7E, not Z, no Z. In case people always ask Job and I, what model is it? And we half the time don't even know. Blade material is high carbon steel. Handle material is Gator grip. We know that already, Swamp People. And integrated sole, if you're from, well, Diane. Anyway. Yeah, an L to it. I kind of don't want to open this, but out of respect to Job, I will. Because he spent a lot of money on this, and I will pay the favor back, trust me. And I look at that, I'm just cutting into this. I'm cutting into my abdomen. Squib. Yeah, so I finally got this thing open. It kind of reminds me of when Thomas in The Walking Dead Season 3 was trying to kill Rick. I feel like that's going to lunge forward and make me go blind. But Thomas from The Walking Dead Season 3, Rick, Big Tiny, Axel, Oscar, and Thomas were in the hallway trying to clear the cell block. And Rick just says, Thomas says, "See, he's coming at me, bro." Like, he's black, but he's not. He's clearly Mexican. And then Rick says, "Yeah. Shit happens." No! And he kicks it back and then rips it out. That's what I feel like Rick Grimes. Now, I will get the sheath out later because I know everyone's really interested in the blade. It does have a warning symbol. This is not a toy. I mean, really. Who's gonna... Even kids today know that. One thing you'll notice is it's a very intricate design. If I put it in the light correctly, you get a nice gray tint over here with a black tint here on the carbon. So, it looks like to me, this part's pure steel, this part's the carbon, and this part is the lesser quality carbon, because you can feel like a difference. Like, it might just be layered, I have no idea, but I do know that some blades, they do put lesser versions of carbon and steel in certain parts of the blade. Like, this is a saw blade, and this part's the actual carbon, this part's the steel. You don't want to put pure carbon when you have a saw blade. You want to have a lesser carbon, because you're going to cut. If you put pure carbon in it, it's going to cut straight through. And This one actually kind of prevents accidents a little bit. I'm getting a little bit of a chipped steel or carbon, whatever, which is awesome either way because this blade feels amazing. It feels immaculate, and I said that word like the last 3 reviews. Sounds like I said ejaculate, but anyway, I love it. Oh my! It smells like a little spicy, if that's even possible. Like this part does smell like steel. Oh my God! Michael Jackson knows. Joe, turn it on.
Oh crap!
I cut myself. No, I'm not kidding. I think I cut myself. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so excited. So it does have a belt loop here. You can Velcro it as well to your belt. So you got 2 for 1 there. The blade, again, sawtooth, carbon, and then pure stainless steel. And Gator grip. I don't know if we actually showed the Gator grip. You can see the Gator texture. And Jove and I smelled it, and you can smell the swamp on this. Now, it does smell a little bit like rubber, but it's not. Like, I've smelled Gator stuff before, Gator purses, at, I believe it's Von Meyer, and you can tell this is, oh, sorry, I lagged a bit. My internet's slow. You can tell that this is a Gator grip. Like, it's an amazing blade. Like, this is like, I'm shaking. I can't do this. I love it. Just buy it. Go buy it. Where'd you get it at, Joe?
Menards.
Go there and buy it. I'm just so excited. Oh my God.